Thank you very much, David. And I hope you will forgive the apparent irony when I wish you the very warmest of welcomes to Lancaster University. I will just echo what David says, in that it's absolutely fantastic to see so many different people from all different parts of the world and from different walks of life united by this really important common interest. I'm guessing most of you have not had a chance to get your bearings yet, but this is where you are. And as you can see, Lancaster is very much a campus-based university with what I think is a really strong community spirit. And maybe you'll get a sense of that over the next couple of days. Few universities are this well placed geographically for those people who want to study ecology and conservation. And for those indeed and he's been using these, among other things, to try and see how different bird communities are in woodlands of different structure in the UK. Most of my time is actually spent studying river birds. So in particular, I spend most of my research life running a long-term project on dippers in Yorkshire Dales. I'm just about to enter the 14th year of this project. And the focus is very much on how these birds respond to environmental change. But through that, I've worked on a variety of other river birds, including sand martins, which are pretty common on the rivers here. But more broadly, how some species that you might not think of as a freshwater bird use freshwater environments, and how important freshwater invertebrates are for birds and terrestrial systems. And this, of course, is the fastest declining migratory songbird in the UK, the spotted flycatcher. And finally, I've also done quite a lot of work recently doing dietary analyses of river birds, particular fishes